look guys, I have a three bikinis here. Ang gaganda niya guys. Ayan, I'm going to fit this now. So let's go guys. Ayun, ipipit ko na siya guys. I really love it. Pack na pack to siya. And 1, 2, 3, let's go. Guys, flexing my swimsuits for today. Wow! Yung ating heels. I really love it. I really love it. Pack na pack yan siya, guys.
Oh,
my
no!
swimsuits for today. Pack.
Huh?
Ayan, feeling model na naman ako, guys. I really love it. Pack. I really love it.
Wow.
Yung ating heels. Ayan yung aking pangmalakasang heels, guys. I really love it. Pack na pack.
Wow!
Ayan, dahil feeling model na naman ako. Ayan, rampa muna tayo, guys.
Oh no! Oh my god!
Ayan, guys, with heels yan, guys. Ayan, ano, diba? Pack na pack. I really love it. My fashion for today. Ayan guys, yung ating heels na napakataas. Oh. I really love it. Pack. Feeling model na naman ako, guys. Oh. Pack na pack yan.
Oh my god!
I really love it. Alam nyo ba guys kung magkano lang to ating swimsuits for today? Ayan, for 250 pesos guys. I really love it.
Oh my god!
Sasabak na ako sa aking pagiging model guys. Fashion, fashion. Ayan, because I really love fashion guys. Tcharan! O diba? Pack na pack yan. Pack. Pack, 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 pack. O diba guys? I really love it. Pack, pack. O diba? This one guys, another color of my breast. Ayan, it's a maroon guys. Ayan, all maroon. It's a ayan, the maroon color. I love it. Ayan.
Huh?
Pack na pack siya guys. Ayan. My
What?
fashion for today. Ayan guys, medyo nag-shape na yung aking likuran guys. At bibiit lang yung aking chan guys. So, konting exercise na lang. To fit my, to fit my body.
Oh
Ayan.
no!
Para naman, flat na yung aking belly guys, yung aking tummy. Ayan, yung aking maroon
Oh
color.
my god!
Diba, and po, my fashion for today is a maroon color.
Oh my god!
One of my favorite color, guys, is a maroon color. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan. So, ayan, ito na siya, guys. Ayan, ito na, nasukat ko na yung ating maroon color. And, tayo na siya, guys, ng kanyang, I'm using a maroon color. So, yan po. I really love it. I'm so happy, guys. I really love it.